Good morning, my friend. This is Vas here, and I am back again from my Kashmir tour. And I have really enjoyed tour, and I feel so happy because everything possible because I am doing hard work to building our online business, and it is completely flexible for me. No matter I am in my hometown, my office, and anywhere. So first of all, you can enjoy some amazing pics and amazing videos of Kashmir Wadios. My friend. So I hope you enjoy. And now I'm going to talk how is possible everything for me and how it is everything possible for you. Okay. So I have exactly remember when I was working on some as an accountant on Samsung company. Then that time I don't I did not have money to just tour anywhere, just traveling anywhere. I did not have a time. So because I was doing a 9 to 5 job, and so frustration, and salary is very low. I think under 12K Indian rupees, so it is very less than around less than $200, and I'm working around just 30 day and 9 to 5. So it is, and I'm just walking every single morning and ready and going to job and come back and just cooking and so many things I had did. But I have I have taken a decision to change my life. I just thinking a big. How can I change my life? And I'm start learning something important from leaders. So I'm just coming on internet and searching about how I can build my how I can make a money. But so many things Google putting in front of my computer. So basically that time I do not have any computer. I did not have any type computer, just I was a cell phone, and I searching and doing just, everything. But I just have a complete and a clear goal. One day I will become a successful person, and I'm start learning some fake videos, YouTube videos. But really, knowledge is everywhere and overloaded all information overloaded in my mind, and I'm just confused. And I just lost so much time and so much frustration about online marketing. But really, I did not make any kind of money. After then, I made from Jono 2000, I think 18. Then he just teach me about if you want to build establish affiliate marketing business, and if you really want to stay on this online industry, then you can build your own product. So he just say about he introduced about his course called Ministry of Freedom. And when I was joined, and I have learned everything about how I build my own affiliate marketing business, how I create a product, and how I promote someone else's product, and email marketing. And I know you know about email marketing, one of the best source to making tons of money every single day. So I have learned everything, product research, ideas, everything. So once I learn, then I follow and implement, then I am starting making so kind of money. And I once I got a result, then I'm just planning tour every single places, and I have upcoming some tours, and these tours was done, and it is all kind of blessing from you, and it is my hard work. So it is my thing. But if you really want to make your own, if you want to change your own life, then this is a best time to take a right decision to changing your whole life. If you are not taking a right decision right now, then upcoming life is really really difficult. If you are not have any kind of business, and if you don't have any multiple source of income, then life become too difficult. So avoid that kind of pain in future. Just start your online business, no matter what kind of business you are doing. And I prefer digital marketing, building your asset, promoting someone else's product, become affiliate, become super affiliate, making your first 100K, making your 10,000 per month, making your just $1,000 per day. It is easy if you get if you're getting right training and right mentoring and right support. So I was doing everything, and I joined Ministry of Freedom, and I did everything. So if you want to change your life, then you can click on the link below, and I have putting on the free training webinar about Ministry of Freedom, where you will learn how you can make tons of money, how you can change your life, and how you can build your established long-term affiliate marketing business and product launching business. You let's share some screen about this businesses. Okay, so you can see on here, this is a members area of Ministry of Freedom, and it is not just 2 or 3 video, it is approximately 300 videos course, and where you will get 9-week training program. You can see on here, you will get course introduction, mindset because mindset is really really important, and what tools and application required, product launching, branding, email marketing. And you can see you can launch your own product. Like you can see so many successful vendor launching product, and they have making 100K 200K revenue within a month. So you will learn everything about. Okay, you can see and you can see another vendor. So you will learn everything, same things, and email marketing and software launching, researching and outsourcing, paid traffic, A to Z you will learn on here. Okay, and once you learn, once you join, then I personally support you. You can see on here, I have created my own a group. If someone join by my link, then I have created my own course, so on memo of group, where I have lots of member who asking every single day questions and answer, and I personally support him and personally reply him to achieving his goal to as soon as possible. So this is your time. Okay, this is your time. I'm when I was joined MOF, that time no one Indian person supporting me, no one supporting me, but this time I am with you. You can see on the description below, I have putting my personal number. You can call me, you can WhatsApp me. If you have a budget $1,500 to invest this program, then you can personally call me and ask me about this program. Okay, and I will guide you, and I will personally share my own experience. Okay, and I have a lot of free of cost bonuses. You can see on here if you want to see. I have putting a lot of free bonuses. You can see this is cost just $1,500, and actual price is that just $5,000. But you will get just one time just 115 just 1490 and 97. Okay, you can see also you will get so many bonuses inside on here. Also you will get my bonuses. So I have dropped every single link inside, so you can just take some time, and you can get all details on here. Okay, let's just hold on. Just give me a time. So this is really really important for everyone who want to build establish online business. You can see you will get day one, you will get full training. Okay, You can see a lot of testimonials. It is a real person. I know every single person. I know this 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 person. This is an Indian person, and I know this person. I know every single person on here, and you can see you will get a lots of bonuses. Not one bonuses. You will get a lot of bonuses. What you get, you can see you will get updated version Ministry of Freedom 2.0, okay, and 4 live coaching class per week with me and my teams, okay, Jono teams, and one full year mentorship and coaching and support and networking. It means, yeah, you will build your own network. You will build your own audience where you can promote. You can build your own community, okay, and also you will get a bonus me sending you sell. That is very good. You will get rotator benefit done for you. Your super funnel, of course, and promo campaign credit, of course. You will get ad spend done for you, program setup, of course, one-to-one program access, yes, and the unlimited launch booster, of course, you will get, okay, joint venture profit accelerated, of course. This is really important, okay. And also my bonus page is taking some time. So what is your choice? If you really want to change your whole life, you really want to build your online business, then this is really important for you, because it is changed my whole life. Then it is change your whole life. My friend, I hope you enjoy, and I have putting all description link on description and my personal number. Call me if you have any kind of questions, and I personally support you, okay, because this is the best time to building established online business. So finally, thanks for watching, and see you any other great videos every single day. Thank you.